Finance practice exercises number 37. A. Oh, sorry. You plan to save $600 a month for the next 30 years for retirement. Okay, well, that sounds like annuity. So it looks like we're depositing $600 monthly. Our time is 30 years. If the account earns 6.5% interest, how much will you have in the account when you retire? Okay, well, that seems pretty straightforward. So let's use our savings annuity formula and just write this down real quickly. Alright, so when I type this in my calculator, I will get $808,467.25. Alright, so that's the answer to A. B says, how much could you withdraw each month for the 20 years following the retirement? Okay, so our time then is going to be 20. We're looking to withdraw something every month, and we don't know what we're going to withdraw. And again, we're going to assume the 7.5% interest. Okay, so now I will put this information into our payout annuity formula. Okay, so as we've been doing through this entire unit, we'll go ahead and figure out what this amount is first. Okay, and then we will take this amount here and we will divide by what we got here. And so our withdrawal amount is $6,512.96. Okay, so let's figure out for part C, when they're asking us how much interest we could earn over those 50 years. Let's figure out how much interest we earned in our savings annuity. So this is how much we ended up with right here. And let's subtract from that the 600 times 12 times 30. This was all our deposits that we put in. And the difference there is going to give us our interest. And so what I get for the interest from our savings annuity is $592,467.25. Okay, so that's half of our answer. Now over here, we are withdrawing this amount of money every month for 20 years. Okay, so let's multiply that out, figure out what we get. Okay, and I get $1,563,110.40. But we need to subtract from that. Oops, put in the wrong place. $808,467.25. So let's do that, and that'll give us our interest there. And I get $754,643.15. So now we're going to add the interest from here plus the interest from here, and we get $1,347,110.40.